So, ano ba, ngayon, after ng On the Wings, hindi na masyado kayong puyat, masyadong pagod, or...
Well, kasi aside from Otwal naman po, even dati pa, meron din naman po kami ibang projects. Like, we have endorsement shoots, pictorials, and all. So, medyo napupuyat pa rin. But then, I guess less na ngayon, especially with this movie. Kasi, movie siya, so we get to sleep more because of the setup. Mas ano kasi to, mas meticulous with everything. So,
Worldwide trending kayo nung ending nung On the Wings. Grabe. Ilang milyon yung tweets. What can you say? Live pa yung isang part ng ending. What can you say to all the Otwolistas?
Yeah, I guess you.
right?
Yeah. But, we never could have expected such a successful finale. And we never could expect to touch so many people.
We're just happy na it's really, we're just happy po na it's really successful. Kasi Otwal has a really beautiful story. So parang masaya kami na marami kaming na-touch. Yung mga tao, maraming kinilig sa amin, maraming, syempre, mga na-hurt din sa mga pangyayari. But then, super happy sa nangyari.
And because of the show, Jaden became a brand, right?
That's true. On Wings of Love and Dreamscape helped create what Jaden is today. It's made us recognizable worldwide. So we have a lot to thank him for.
What can you say na parang isa na kayo sa top endorsers ngayon, individually and
Really?
the two of you? Kasi di ba parang sa TV pag nanonood ka, minsan dalawa kayo, minsan dalawa kayo sa commercial, minsan solo-solo, di ba parang ang dami. Blessings.
We're very, very grateful to Boss Vic.
Siyempre, sa lahat din po ng mga tao behind their success. Kasi kung di din naman po dahil sa kanila, diba, wala din naman po kami ngayon kung nasan kami. So we're just really, really thankful.